Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is an overdue video. I know, before y'all say something, I know it's overdue. It's been months. But I decided to come and just unbox this with y'all because I figure you have seen it probably on social media or whatever the case may be, all around the YT, all around YouTube, all around Instagram. It's past. But in today's video, as you've seen by the title, we're going to be finally doing an unboxing of the Savage shoes by Ivy Park. This is the Ivy Heart launch that happened months ago in February 14th. That's when it happened, or after that, no, before that, whatever, during that month, February. So I know it's overdue, but I wanted to unbox this for you guys. So let's not chat too much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for more videos from me. Thank you so much for supporting me, watching my videos, and I really do appreciate it. So let's get right into this review. This is the box that it came in. Very simple black, very simple gray box, but obviously when you take it out of the packaging it is in, it comes in this cute pink box. I didn't really think that I was gonna get a box like this, honestly. I figured it would be just a regular, you know, box like my last Ivy Park shoe that I got, but this turned out to be in the packaging that it usually comes in. And it does come with a dust bag, like it always does with all our shoe items. Comes with a dust bag, so you're able to put your shoes in there, and the shoes just fit right in there. Very basic. You can kind of see the Adidas brand right here, and then you can kind of see the Ivy Park logo right here. It's kind of like, the pink is really like foreshadowing the actual letters itself, but it does have Ivy Park right here and the lines and the strips of Adidas. So this is the box. Now let's talk about the shoes. So these are what the shoes look like. I have worn these shoes maybe about twice already. I really like them. They're really sturdy, honestly, to the point where you can't really tell that I've worn it. It's super cute. I love this curl pattern. I was very hesitant when I first started because I wasn't sure I was going to like this shoe, but the more I look at it, it's very simplistic. You can wear it with different things. Not too bad at all. This is what the shoe looks like. It is super cute, very adorable. It has the Ivy Park logo right here and then the Adidas right there. It has a red also inside of it, which I absolutely love. I love the fact that it does have that. It's super cute, very nice, very form-fitting. It really does fit my feet. It's very cute right here too. I love this. It's just very sturdy. This is something that you can wear with a lot of different pieces. It doesn't really matter, honestly. You can wear cream, you can wear red, whatever you feel like it might match. You can definitely do that with these shoes. I love the laces of these shoes. You can tie it, do whatever you need to do. I love this detailing right here too. It's just very sturdy and very cute. If I can find this on StockX, I will probably link it down below. Or I can find it on StockX. If I can find it on GOAT, I will link it down below. If I can find it anywhere that you guys still want to purchase it and it's not too, I guess, old of a item that you guys don't care about it no more, but if you guys are interested, it will be in the description box. I will find some links and put them in the description box as well too. I will not be selling these shoes. I have other things that I'm going to be selling on Poshmark. I think I'm going to get back into the swing of selling things on Poshmark because it's been a minute since I have done so yeah, these are super cute and I love them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.